Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Oculus app in Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to download Oculus app, you need to tap open your Play Store. So once you open your Play Store, you will end up in this page. So in the search bar, you need to type in Oculus. After you do so, you will end up in this page where you can find the Meta Quest, which is the next name for Oculus app. So simply tap on the install button, and once the app is processed to get downloaded, downloading is also over and the installing process begins. So after the installing process also comes to an end, your Meta Quest app, aka Oculus app, will be completely downloaded in your Android device, which you can open from your Play Store or from your App Store. So this is how you download the Oculus app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.